Hi guys.
That was nice.
What we got here? What is that? Get that puppies a kiss, Sissy. Oh, hello. Hi, Harley. This is Judy's new doggie. We're just home watching it for a little while. You get that doggy kisses, Sissy. What are you doing? Oh.
He's going to get you.
Anyway, this is Harley. Shawnee's a little leery of him, but Sadie's not at all. Get the doggy, honey. Get the doggy the... Okay. Okay, well, I could see how this would be arduous to try and record. Oh.
Doesn't give you puppy kisses.
Oops, excuse you, Shawnee. Don't poke him in the eye, okay? Justin likes him. Do you want to keep him now? I like how you were thinking that I wanted to keep the dog. I don't even like the way it smells. It stinks. It's a stinky dog, and it makes me sneeze. And I want a Mastiff and a Jack Russell.
We had a yard, and there's not a little patio. You can pet it.
That's true. See, I think he might have fleas. See what I mean?
So if he does, then we're going to get infested.
Infested? What do you mean?